What if I told you there are two forces, one ancient and one born yesterday, both claiming they can see into your soul? Today, I'm asking a question most don't even dare to ask. Can artificial intelligence read me better than ancient magic ever could? I gave AI access to everything: my birth date, personality, even my fears. I crafted a profile of who I am and who I might become. AI came up, logical, smart, even airly accurate, but something felt empty, like a perfect mirror with no soul behind it. When I turned to the old ways, I lit a candle, whispered my name, and drew the cards. The cards didn't give me data, they gave me meaning. Each symbol felt alive, an echo of something I'd forgotten, but somehow I always known. AI gave me knowledge. Magic gave me wisdom. AI told me what I was. Magic reminded me of what I could become. We're standing at a crossroad. One path leads to data, the other one to destiny. Maybe the future isn't about choosing one side over the other, but letting logic and spirit walk side by side. So I ask you, who do you trust to know your soul? An algorithm or whispers of something older than time?